setup failed.
Traders, what's up? Here's a great example of range trading. Let me show you. That was yesterday, Friday, January 13. There was an uptrend with a break, and we never really got test of the new high. And then we immediately started to range here. So I marked this range, and then I saw this kind of a down channel. Let me show you that. See that? Let me mark this. And I saw this as a downtrend within this range. So we had an up channel with a break, never got a new high, so I'm still expecting this huge uptrend to be resumed. And then we got this down channel with a clear break and a new low. And there, I began looking to fade this range in the direction of the overall bias, which is this one. So I had a down channel with a clear break and a new low, followed by a second entry long with a great bullish bar. Let me show you this. I will show it again. Down channel within this huge range with a break, two legs to new low, followed by a great bullish bar. And this is a second entry long because this is the first entry and this is the second entry long. I entered here with a limit order for an 11 points. And this is a great example of a channel with a break into a range during which we expect the trend to be resumed. So I'm just looking for reason to fade this range in the direction of the overall bias. Okay? So not only that this big channel had the break and a new low, also this tight channel, let me show you this one. See that one? Also this one got a break and a new low into this second entry long. A beautiful trade indeed. Now there was another entry here. After this second entry long, we had a second entry short that failed because this one is a first entry and a second entry followed by immediate failure. That is a trap, which is a good entry. And by the way, guys, I have a free PDF guide to teach you how to trade traps, completely free. You just need to go to the link in the description below, and you can freely download this PDF file. This is a complete guide of how to trade traps in the right spot, because just a trap are all over the place during the trading session. You need to be able to know where to take these trades. Traps can be extremely powerful setups as long as you know where to take them. So head on to my website, download the free PDF. This is a great way to get extremely familiar with trading traps like a professional trader. Super powerful setup. Now, understanding how to identify traps and knowing where to take them are two different things. It's very, very important that you learn where to spot them and how to execute them.